for the people who don't know me, hi, this is Priyanka and I welcome you all to my channel. In today's vlog, I'm going to show you guys that I'm shooting for a very special brand and a very repetitive brand that you guys have already seen. And in today's vlog, I will be showing all of that right now. I'm in Quest Mall. I'm gonna do my touch up and get ready for the shoot. So stay tuned, guys.
Honestly, this is one of the most aesthetic malls in Calcutta, which is popularly known as Quest Mall. And even if you're not shopping, just walking around here makes you feel like you are in one of the Dubai malls. What I personally love about this place, it consists of mix of brands. I've got everything from high-end luxury to more contemporary fashion stores.
टच अप कर लिया है गाइस. अब फाइनली चलते हैं, थोड़ा चिल करते हैं, रेस्ट करते हैं और वेट करते हैं टीम का आने का. इट्स वेरी chaotic but I feel good that I'm working right now. Back to business, back to work. And guys, vlog देखो, शॉर्ट्स देखो, प्यार दो एंड चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो. प्लीज़ 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 प्लीज़, आई नीड योर सपोर्ट. सो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो, लाइक करो.
Okay, speaking of shoots, today I'm actually here for a brand shoot. Now, I can't really reveal much about the brand because, of course, it's confidential. But I can say it's a very popular brand. It's a brand I genuinely love working with. I've shot with them multiple times, and every single time I just feel right. You know, that feeling when you align with the brand's vision and vibe, that's exactly what this is. I wish I could show you guys the entire shoot process, but unfortunately, I can't film behind the scenes today. However, don't worry, we'll definitely see the final shots on my Instagram and maybe even here later. So keep an eye out for that on the YouTube shorts. So, let me talk about something people don't often see, the energy on set. It is honestly one of the most exciting parts of being a content creator and an actor. There's this buzz, people moving around, fixing lights, adjusting frames, discussing angles, content. Everyone is so focused, but at the same time, there's this creative chaos that just works. And as the person in front of the camera, you have to constantly switch on that energy. No matter how you're feeling inside, tired, stressed, distracted, the moment the camera starts rolling, you bring your best self out. And that's your job. Also, fun fact, what you see in the camera, it's like 10% of the actual effort. The real work starts way before the shoot. For example, this outfit planned last night, and not just, oh, this looked good. It's about matching the location, the brand's aesthetic, the lighting, the mood of the shoot, every damn thing. There's a lot of investment that goes into this life, clothes, grooming, travel, time, energy, and most of it isn't as glamorous as it looks online. People see the final photos and think, wow, that's easy. But behind that one perfect shot are hours of prep, multiple retakes, and sometimes even self doubt. Let's be real for a second. Being an actor or content creator isn't always easy financially. There are phases where things are great, and there are phases where you're just waiting, auditioning, creating, hoping something clicks. It's so unpredictable and it takes a lot of patience. There are multiple rejections, there are delays, there are moments when you question if you're doing the right thing or you're just wasting your important phase of your life. But at the same time, there are these days like today, while you are on a set, doing what you love, creating something from scratch, and it reminds you why you started. Okay, so right now I'm out bowling and playing pool with my friends, and I just had this moment where I was like, why don't we do this more often? Like, honestly, as an actor, life gets so hectic. You're constantly thinking about auditions, shoots, content deadlines. Your brain just never switches off. And in the middle of all that, you kind of forget how important it is to just live a little. That's why I have been trying to pick up small things, bowling, pool, pickleball, just learning random skills. Not because I want to be amazing at them, but because it feels so good to feel human again. And I feel like growing up, we don't really realize how important this is. You really need to pause, Step back, spend some time with your people, have those random conversations, those silly competitive moments, those laughs that you just can't script. Also, being consistent with any sport, even casually, really helps with your mental health. It clears your head, gives you energy, and honestly makes you feel like a human again, not just someone chasing the next goal.
Thank you so much for watching till the very end. I hope you liked the video. In case you did, please make sure to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel below. See you soon. Toodles. Bye.